When it comes to your career, one of the biggest myths is that you have to have it all figured out from the start. The reality? Most careers aren't linear. They're built gradually through action, reflection, and a fair bit of trial and error. Your career is not a single decision, it's a series of decisions. So you don't have to know your final destination. You just need to start with a direction, then take steps, learn, adjust, and keep going. So what does that look like in practice? Start by getting hands-on experience where you can. This might be a casual job, a student project, volunteering, or an internship. Each one teaches you something about the work, the environment, and yourself. Keep a career journal or simple notes in your phone after each experience and ask yourself, what did I enjoy? What drained me? What skills did I use? And which ones would I like to build? Over time, patterns will emerge, and that's where clarity comes from. Not from thinking it through alone, but by doing and reflecting. Be open to the unexpected. Career theory calls this planned happenstance. The idea that unplanned events and chance encounters often shape your path. And you can create your own luck by staying curious, saying yes to opportunities, and talking to people in different industries. Use informational interviews, which is a quick coffee or online chat with someone working in a field you're interested in. It's a practical, low-pressure way to learn about different roles, career paths, and how people got to where they are now. The chaos theory of careers reminds us that the world of work is constantly changing. So the most valuable skills are adaptability, learning agility, and the ability to take thoughtful action, even without all the answers. And if you hit a roadblock or decide to pivot mid-career, that's not failure. It's part of the process. Whether you change direction once or 5 times, each shift brings new insights. Remember, you don't have to wait for a perfect plan. Progress comes from trying, reflecting, and adjusting as you go. And if you'd like support with exploring ideas, planning your next steps, or connecting with opportunities, Curtin Careers is here to help you design a career that grows with you.